Hey guys, Joe Pye here at Advanced Innovations. Welcome back to the shop. It has been very busy here for the past week or so, and I thought a little taste of what's coming aside from the F1 sim rig might be in order. I've laid out the plans and the parts for the new models that I've got, and I thought I might show them to you. 1/12 scale milling machine kit. This is a very nice little kit. This is incredibly heavy. I would have thought this would have been hollow, but I guess that's a solid piece. All kinds of raw material and stock. Picture of the finished beast. Exploded view. There is an awful lot of pieces here. 51 different pieces, and probably, if I had to guess, maybe twice that many total. An extremely windy and cold day where I'm standing, so if you hear the swing set squeaking in the background, the roof is trying to come off the building from the wind outside. The Wood Lathe Kit. This one is probably calling my name. There's some really neat looking castings here. Very nice castings. Very ornate. And that's what this kit looks like when it is all blown apart. 42 different pieces in this. Probably, like I say, almost as many in multiples. So there you go. These are PM Research kits, and for anybody interested, there is a discount code for 10% off anything that you guys purchase from PM Research, available on my Patreon page. This is the table saw, and the table saw is a pretty interesting little model when it's done. Let's see the blade. There's the blade. This one just looks like too much fun not to hook it up and cut some balsa wood or something on it when it's done. There's a few hours of filing to do on the wheels. You know, I like to get the wheels looking like something special. Another exploded view. And if you're into miniature woodshop machinery, the wood lathe and the table saw are going to be there for you. Now this one here, this has got to be a much older model. This was actually provided by a subscriber, and thank you very much for that. But these plans are almost brittle and realistically look like the original blueprint type plans. I mean, if this is a reproduction, they did a heck of a job reproducing them. 62 different pieces on this and considerable multiples of each one. This is a very elaborate model. This is the shaper. Awful lot going on here. All kinds of gears, shafts, pulleys, indexers, threads, eccentrics, and 3 pages of detail to get your heart going. That is the main frame for it. And forgive me, but I don't know all the terminology of all these components. I am not a shaper guy, but I'm sure there's a couple of you that are going to comment. Anyway, in order to do this, the reason that I did this, I'm looking for feedback on which one you think you'd like to see next. I will interject the F1 sim rig build that we're doing. But I just have to believe that I'm going to drag one of these kits out and do it in tandem so I can mix up the subject matter on the channel. Let me know which one it is you'd like to see, and I think majority may rule, but that's yet to be seen as well. I think the wood models are calling my name. It's either going to be the lathe or the table saw. Table saw looks like it's going to be fun, so table saw is my vote. Let me know what you want to see. Head over to the Patreon page for a very small support donation. You get 10% off of everything you buy from these people for as long as you use that code. So if you're interested in this kind of stuff, do it to it. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Sorry this is a short one. It's been a busy week, and I just wanted to say hi. Joe Pye, Advanced Innovations in Austin, Texas.